lift? Are we talking about lift?
An airplane flies because of a force that counteracts the weight.
The wing has a curvature to it.
The airplane needs to get some motion forward.
We're able to create lift using differential pressure,
which is actually what keeps the aircraft in the air, is that lift that's generated from airflow moving over the surface of the wing.
That is, in a nutshell, how an aircraft flies.
Kind of defy gravity every day and then bring it back safely. It's more than just the physics of flying. It's the pilot that comes to the cockpit ready and prepared.
Every instructor at AreoSim does pretty much everything the same way so that a student can get the same training from every instructor.
You want everybody to be flying the same way and teaching the same thing.
Standardization is a specific way of doing things every time.
The more people are standardized, the safer we become and the safer an industry we are.
At AreoSim Flight Academy, we look at the total package for a pilot, and it starts with the ground preparation.
We do have 2 weeks of ground school.
You learn it on the ground, you execute it in the air.
A lot of our instructors here are ex-airline pilots, including myself, and I bring experience that I have obtained in the real world, flying commercially.
We practice in the air what we learn on the ground.
AreoSim as a company has been building flight training devices since 1993.
It basically is like being in the real cockpit.
But you learn more in less time on a flight training device.
We use that as a way to keep student costs down.
Completely wired in with multiple computers.
Wraparound screens. As an instructor, I have many more things that I can fail on the student.
We basically use the products that we make, so when you get to the airplane, you're just perfecting the skills that you learned in the simulator.
We are very proud of our fleet here at AreoSim Flight Academy.
We've got over 70 airplanes.
Your training here at the Academy is done in piston-powered aircraft.
The aircraft are incredibly safe.
You are practicing everything safe, number one thing.
Over the last 8 years, we've received a Diamond Award for safety and maintenance.
A student will come into AreoSim Flight Academy and either fly the Cessna 172 or the Cirrus SR-20 for their private license.
Everything is like high tech.
SR-20 is an awesome plane.
We brought the Cirrus SR-20 in to simulate what you're going to see at the airlines with the glass cockpit, automation management, moving at faster speeds.
It's a fun airplane to fly. You roll on that yoke, that airplane is going there, and it's going there in a hurry.
I have all the electronics that can tell me exactly where I am. I have 2 GPSs and a moving map on my MFD that allows me to see everything.
For part of your commercial rating, you do have to fly a multi-engined aircraft.
Then we do our multi-training in the Piper Seminole.
Most airlines will require that you have a minimum of 100 hours of multi-engine time or more before they'll even interview. To find out more about training at AreoSim Flight Academy, select the corresponding link.
We got the sun being blocked by these clouds here. It makes perfect pictures. I mean, sometimes you get the most amazing views when you're a pilot.